In this video, I will show you how to install ProShow Producer version 9.0.3797 for Windows. This is the final stable version released by the Photodex developers. I will demonstrate this using a Windows 11 computer that has not had ProShow Producer installed previously. The steps in this video may occur quicker than you prefer. I recommend you pause the video or rewind as necessary, then continue with this process until you get to the end. It is critical that you uninstall any existing version of ProShow Producer. Go to the location on your computer where you downloaded ProShow Producer. The downloaded file has a .rar extension, and we will need to extract the contents. The built-in Windows Extract All function will work as there is no password. You can also download and use WinRAR or 7-zip. Both are freely available. In this video, I will use 7-zip to extract the contents of the .rar file into a folder of the same name as follows. Right-click the RAR file, select 7-zip, then select Extract. When extracted, go into the folder and double-click pspro_90_3797.exe, or you can right-click the file and select Open to begin the installation of ProShow Producer. If you see this message, it is the normal Windows safety prompt before installing applications. Click Yes to continue. If you do not see the safety prompt, you will instead see the installer unpacking the files, and soon after, a dialog will appear with the first step in the install procedure. Click Next. ProShow will install as a trial version, which is normal. At the end of this install process, I will show you how to register ProShow as the full version. Click Next. Here is the end user license agreement. Click I agree. It is very important that you do not change the default installation location. Please leave this as shown, otherwise the registration step done after this install will fail. Click Next. Click Install. ProShow Producer and Photodex Presenter version 9.0.3797 is now being installed. Click Finish. Do not restart your computer. Rebooting before the registration process means it will fail. Click No. ProShow Producer version 9.0.3797 is successfully installed. Now I will show you the registration process. Right-click Register ProShow 9.0.3797.bat and select Run as Administrator. You may see the Windows safety prompt again. Click Yes to continue. Immediately after, you will see the screen flicker. Don't blink, you may miss it. The task is done. That concludes the license and registration process. ProShow Producer is now fully registered and activated. Let's now check and confirm ProShow Producer is fully registered. Go to the desktop and double-click the ProShow Producer icon to start the program. Here is the default layout and wizard that you see when launching ProShow Producer for the first time. Click Cancel to dismiss. Let's check the registration and version numbers. Go to the Help menu, then select About ProShow. You can see the program is registered, and the version numbers of ProShow Producer and Photodex Presenter are 9.0.3797. Click Close. To turn off update checking, go to the Edit menu, then select Preferences. Select Miscellaneous and then untick the Check for Updates option. Click Done. Close ProShow Producer. Sometimes ProShow Producer tries to call home to the Photodex servers during creating a show or publishing it to video, but as the servers were taken offline permanently in January 2020, there is nobody home to answer the call, so Producer just maintains the busy and/or downloading message, and you cannot continue creating and/or publishing your show. To stop this from happening, all you need to do is create an outbound rule in your firewall, which will block ProShow Producer trying to ever call home. I will show you how to do this in the inbuilt Windows Defender firewall, which most people use, but if you have a third-party firewall, the process will be similar. Right-click the Start button and select Settings. In the search box, type Fire, then select Windows Defender Firewall. First, ensure the firewall is turned on, as you can see by the tick inside the green shield icon. Select Advanced Settings. Click on Outbound Rules. Then click on New Rule. Click Next. Click Browse and locate the ProShow.exe file, which is located in C, Program Files x86 Photodex ProShow Producer folder. Click on ProShow.exe, then click the Open button. Doing this will automatically place the program launch file into the program path. Click Next. With Block the Connection selected, click Next. With all three selected, click Next. You can give the rule any name you like, but it is usually best to name the rule corresponding to the program so you can identify the rule in the firewall. You can type ProShow for easy recognition if you like. Click the Finish button to complete the process. You will see the outbound rule created. Close all windows. That completes the installation, registration, and firewall block for ProShow Producer version 9.0.3797 for Windows.